Hello friends, how are you? Today we are going to draw a octopus. Let's start begin drawing. This is the head of the octopus. So for the basic drawing, first we draw the outlines. As you know, it has so many wave pattern tentacles. So it's very solid and wave form. After we draw the basic outlines, then we are going to draw the details. So there's a small detail on the back of the head, and you know the eyes, it's little bigger. Looks like this. This is the other one. As you can see, it's like you know, coming from the same place. So on top of it, the head is connected to all the tentacles. Let's draw another one here. And the bigger one, it comes to the bottom part like this and curved like here. All right, and the next one looks like this. And this one continues. Like this. So you can see lots of stuffs. Let's put the shades on the head on top here. This is the darker part, and the border of the eyes is little darker too. see the tentacles here. To make the elaborate drawing, all the detailings for each tentacle, you need to have patience for the continuation. And it's just circular here, and we do sketch to the end of the tentacle. This is also another bigger one. As you see, the drawing is almost half done, so few steps are left. So this is all. So few details are left here. We can put like this one, the detail on one side of the tentacles, and other side is plain. Usually this side acts like a gripper. So with all these tentacles, the octopus holds something. Also, we are going to do this one. As you can see that each segment has the same characteristics and the attributes. So the shades and detailings, it has little repetition. All you need to have is you need to have the patience to doing all the details, complete the work, and finally the drawing is going to look better. So the drawing is almost done. This is the basic shape. So do practice at home. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe my channel for new updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.